Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. In this video, I'm going to go over LeadsLeap really quickly. This is a program I've been using for a short time now, but I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it. It's been out, as you can see here, since 2008. And I'm just going to go over the website, all right? I'm not going to log into my back office and show you any of that right now, but I will make videos in the future that that will show you that, okay? So this is LeadsLeap. You can join this for free. There's 119,000 members currently. There's 28 million real visitors sent, which I'll go over that in a minute here. And there's 56,000 people using the app that works very well. All right, so what can you get from LeadsLeap? In short, you have access to all of these once you join for free. Free traffic to your websites, free autoresponder service, your own list, not co-owned. That means all the people that you collect on your list, they go right to you. LeadsLeap has nothing to do with the people that join your list. There's a free page builder with hosting included, a free pop-up generator with hosting included. There's a free link tracker that can differentiate bot versus human traffic. And you can make money while benefiting from all of these, okay? So it says, basically, almost everything you need to create a successful online business can be found in your free membership. Seeing is believing. Create an account now and see what is available to you. Cancel if you don't like it. Who knows? It may be the turning point for your online success, like many of our members. All right, so I'm going to go over these 4 tabs here. And the first one is free traffic. All right, so this is 4 ways to get traffic and leads. It says, let me be honest with you. Our main income source comes from traffic generation. That's how we earn enough money to maintain multiple servers to power the free tools that we offer. Since traffic generation is our bread and butter, you bet we are doing everything possible to make it work better and better. No snake oil here. I'll explain the 4 ways we use to bring you traffic and leads. You decide if they make sense to you. All right, so the first one is advertise to LeadsLeap members. First, you can post an ad like those below. All right, so you post an ad, it's going to show up like this, and it says your ad will be shown to our members. Our members are incentivized to view your ads. I know what you're thinking. So, this is just another traffic exchange or PTC program where members click an ad, wait for a 10 to 20 second countdown to lapse, then move on to another ad to earn more credits. It says no, such a countdown system is flawed. Let me ask you, if there is a countdown, what will you do when the time is up? Yes, you will leave. This kind of countdown system pushes visitors away from your ad after 10 to 20 seconds, instead of encouraging them to stay and learn more about your offer. We do it differently. With this system, we know who are really surfing and how long they've surfed. We reward members based on their surfing duration. The longer they surf your ad, the more credits they earn. If your offer is interesting, they are incentivized to stay and find out more. Read our blog and see what others say about our unique and viewing system. All right, so you can go and visit a blog. I'll put a link down below here. It's going to be my affiliate link, just being honest with you. So if you click the link and join for free, you're going to be joining underneath me, which is fine because I'm here to help you out, right? So it works for both of us. I benefit, you benefit. And then you can check out the link, to read the blog if you're interested in that, all right? Our members include affiliate marketers, website owners, bloggers, and individuals looking for ways to make more money and get more traffic. If they are your target audience, you wouldn't want to miss this chance to reach out to them for free. Here's a testimonial here. I'm not going to read it. You can view that. You can pause it and read it if you want to. Number 2, advertise to the world. Okay, I'm exaggerating when I say advertise to the world. What happens is we run a PPC program. We reward publishers and marketers to show your ads on their websites and in their tracking links. Let's look at the stats. Our ad impressions are more than 400,000 per day. Our ad widgets are shown in over 4,000 websites and blogs, plus over 30,000 trackers that are shown in the most popular traffic exchanges, paid-to-click programs, safe lists, and forums. Is this the industry you want to target? If your answer is yes, then we offer you a shortcut to reach out across the entire industry. The third is get search engine traffic. One of the proven ways to get quality leads is by writing product reviews and getting traffic from the search engines. LeadsLeap operates a search engine optimized social review directory. All right, you can take a look at that on your own time. Not any kind of content will rank well in search engines. First, LeadsLeap.com is an aged authority site. Second, the social review is a consolidated review directory with unique and fresh reviews being added from time to time. It is a great resource for people looking for different reviews from real users. Search engines love our social review because it provides true values to their users. All right, number 4 is multiply a few leads into thousands. LeadsLeap system comes with a 10-level network builder. Imagine if you refer 10 people to LeadsLeap and they do the same. You will have 100 extra followers at level 2, 1,000 followers at level 3, 10,000 followers at level 4, and 10 billion followers at level 10. Well, that's in theory. Realistically, it's much lower, but still pretty explosive. Take a look at the case studies below. All right, so this is somebody here who followed, he had 9 referrals that turned into 9,500 leads. And this person over here had 56 referrals and it turned into 52,355 leads. And this isn't any BS, folks, okay? Inside, you'll see each member's, when you click on their ads or their social reviews, you'll see their stats from people who post it, and it will show you how many followers they have. And I've seen people with tens of thousands of followers. So this does work. I don't have tens of thousands of followers right yet. But like I said, I've only been using this a short time. And I know that it does work. So you may be wondering, is this MLM? No, we are not. Our 10-level network is only for leads building purpose. Our program is free to join. Our affiliate program is a 1-level affiliate program. It's free to become an affiliate. All right. Is this a safe list? Will I be flooded with tons of emails? We are not a safe list or mailer system, and members can't email members. So this is awesome because not only do you get to advertise whatever service or product that you're promoting online, you do not get emails from anybody. All right. It's all done within this inside the system, which I'm going to explain right here. Then how do I contact my 10 levels of followers? We have a unique, sustainable, and annoyance-free communication system that allows you to reach out to 10 levels of your followers unobtrusively. This system is more effective and more sustainable than member-to-member email or private message. And then there's some more testimonials now, okay? So you can get free traffic that get a couple leads that turn into thousands. You get search engine traffic. You're going to get traffic from over 4,000 websites and blogs and over 30,000 trackers within the system. And then, of course, you can advertise to other LeadsLeap members. All right, so there's 4 different ways to generate traffic using this. And that's just the free traffic part, okay? Now I'm going to talk about the free tools that you get with this. It says almost every tool you need is here free. Here's a list of tools you can find in LeadsLeap. You get a list management system, or commonly known as an autoresponder. You get a landing page builder, you get a pop-up generator, and you get a link tracker and rotator. Although these tools are free, many members have feedback that they are better than paid ones. And I agree 100% with this. I've tried all the autoresponders out there. There's nothing wrong with them, okay? I never had any issues with, GetResponse or Aweber. I never had any problems with them. But this right here does everything, and then some. So to me, it's far more valuable than, say, GetResponse or Aweber, okay? You can do so much more with these tools and LeadsLeap, okay? But we don't rest on our laurels. We keep on improving these tools. If you don't believe, read our blog. All right, so here are the details on these tools, and I'm just going to go over this quickly. The list management system. All right, so you can build a list. You get an autoresponder, automated emails, broadcast, tracking, etc., etc. It goes on and on. All right, so the system that is free, sendsteed.com, and it has all the essential functions you need for list building, including to double opt-in, automatically send out welcome email with download link. You can send email broadcasts to multiple lists. You can schedule those email broadcasts in advance. You can automatically track email and link open rates. There's smart filtering to ensure subscribers in multiple lists only receive the same broadcast once. And you can automatically send out follow-up emails, e-course, or email series. All right, now this is for pro members, as it says right here, which I'm a pro member. It's $20 a month, and it's super worth it, okay? But you can use everything else for free. Again, this is your personal list. We will not send any promotional email to your list. So when you build a list, that is 100% yours. You don't have to worry about LeadsLeap coming in there and sending them promotional emails, all right? Everything they receive is from you. All right, so say goodbye to expensive list management systems and never lose your list again, because this system is free for life. Here we have a landing page builder. All right, so you can build squeeze pages, review pages, opt-in pages. It's all fully hosted. We have a pop-up expert, so you can create opt-in forms and pop-up generators. It says it's no secret that pop-ups can increase the conversion rates, but most of the pop-up generators in the market are either expensive or full of bugs, and honestly, they are not as powerful and customizable. Pop-up expert can generate almost any kind of pop-up you can think of. Right, so you can create a light box, a corner pop-up, slide up, exit intent pop-up, on-click pop-up, animated inline widget, end of page inline widget, inline pop-up opt-in form, and many more. All right, so you can add it to your website or blog. No hosting required. The pop-ups are responsive and mobile friendly, and you can even add it to your tracker link. And then we have the real tracker. This is a link tracker and rotator. We put this last not because it's the least important tool. In fact, it is the most acclaimed tool. If you read some LeadsLeap reviews, you're very likely to see bloggers raving about our unique link tracking system. Why is it so special? Because it is probably the only tracker that allows you to track the surfing duration of visitors to your affiliate links or third-party links. You see, conventional link trackers only track clicks. They can't tell whether the clicks are real visitors, how long they have surfed on your site, and whether they have taken actions. You may be thinking, well, there is Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics only works if you are the webmaster. If you want to track a third-party link, such as an affiliate link, you can't. But with the real tracker, you can. All right, then it goes on to talk about why surfing duration is important, what the real tracker can do. And, I mean, it just goes on. Okay, so you can insert opt-in pop-up into the links that you track. You can add an ad bar and cross-promote other offers to any link you track. You can rotate those links, and you can create tracking sources on the fly. And, again, this is free. And there's another testimonial down here. All right, so these are all the free tools you can get, minus the automatically send out follow-up emails, e-course email series for pro members. All right, so you'd have to upgrade that to automatically send out follow-up emails. But aside from that, everything is free. Another cool feature here that you can do as an upgraded pro member is if, like, I make YouTube videos, right? So once I post this YouTube video, it's automatically going to be sent out to all of the people on my list inside of LeadsLeap. It'll automatically go to everybody on my list, and they'll see this video, which helps me get views on the video and helps me get people to sign up for programs like this. So it's a genius system, really. All right, now we're going to talk about the free money part. All right, there's 4 ways to make money on here, and I'm just going to go over this quickly because there's a lot to go over. And again, I'll put the link down in the description box. You can click on that. You'll be taken to this page, and you can go over this at your own convenience, okay? All right, so one is you can participate in our PPC program. That's pay per click. Basically what happens is you're going to have ads. You can set up blogs that have these ads on here, and when you click on that, you'll get paid, or when somebody clicks on the ad, then you'll receive a commission, okay? So it says if you have a website, you can add our ad widget to it. When people view the ads, you make money. I've made a few dollars on this so far. I don't really promote the PPC program. I do have an ad widget on my website, but like I said, I've only made a couple dollars, but it does work, and that is an option. You could always make a page that has just ads like that and promote the page, and when people go on it and click these, you'll make some money. So as you can see right here, don't have a website, no problem. You can use our link tracker to track your traffic elsewhere and enable the monetize option. When people visit the ads, you also make money. So folks, this is something that you can come in, join for free, start using these tools, and then you can do these, you can make money for free, basically. All right. So number 2 is become an active member. You can be an active member with just 10 ad clicks via your ad widgets in a day. No, you don't have to pay a cent to participate in this program. Every member is eligible. It is our way to say thank you for being an active member. So if you go click on the ads every day, you're going to earn a few cents for being an active member. You can convert your credits into cash. For example, you earn credits whenever someone views ads via your ad widget. You also earn credits when you rate ads or report problem ads to us. If you are an advertiser, you can use these credits to advertise for free and get targeted traffic to your sites. If you have nothing to advertise, you can convert your credits into cash. And then we have a recurring affiliate commissions, okay? When you refer people here, you can make 25 to 50% commissions. All right, so if you're a free member, you're going to earn 25% commissions if they upgrade. And if you're a pro member or an upgraded member, you're going to earn 50% commissions on people that upgrade. And those are for life. So if you get somebody that comes in and sticks around for 12 months, then you're going to make $10 on them each month if you're a pro member. And and then that's it. So it's pretty cool. All right. So those are the 4 ways to get paid. And then over here we have testimonials, which you can come in anytime and check out yourself. But these are very recent. All right. So that's October 31st. This John Magellan, he left a nice review here. This is from October 22nd. We get reviews. So this is a super valuable system, a program that you can do tons of stuff with, okay? It's not just coming in here and building a list. You can get advertisement for this as well. So to me, it was worth the $20 a month upgrade. And if you use it as a free member, you're gonna get value out of this. All right, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you found value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, this helps me out a great deal. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.